This is a short video looking at a few issues related to Centrelink affecting farmers, particularly those approaching retirement. The age pension depends on three main tests. Have to be the correct age, which for men is more than 65, and for women is now getting towards 65, depending on the year in which you were born. There is also an incomes test and an assets test, and if you are applying for the age pension, these two tests are applied separately, and the rate of pension that you'll be eligible to will be the lower result from these two tests. Pension rates are on the screen and were correct at March 2011. However, you should always check your correct rates with Centrelink at the time of applying. The assets test is shown on the screen. For a married couple, the maximum pension is payable up until the net assets, not including the family home, have a value of $258,000. However, you can still receive a part pension until those net assets, not including the family home, reach a value of $978,000. And I urge you to remember that you can get the full non-cash benefits of a pension card, etc., if you receive only $1 of pension. The income test is the second test. It's also shown on the screen, and looking at the married couple rates again, remembering these are combined for the pair of them. A full pension is payable up until net income reaches $256 per fortnight, and a part pension is payable until the net income reaches $2,415 per fortnight. You do obviously need to check the current rates with Centrelink, but these were correct at the time of making the video. When we talk about income for Centrelink purposes, it's very similar to your taxable income with some adjustments that Centrelink makes, obviously removing non-cash items such as depreciation. It's based on the estimate of fortnightly income, and as an estimate, what you can do is take your annual taxable income, divide it by 26 to give a fortnightly income estimate, remembering that there will be adjustments made. The other thing to remember with income for Centrelink purposes is a concept called deeming, and this applies to any financial investments you hold, such as shares or savings, term deposits, etc. And Centrelink basically strikes a income from those investments as shown on the screen. And again, looking at a couple, the first $72,000 of those types of investments are deemed to be receiving 3%, no matter what actual return you are getting. And then there is an excess, if any excess above the $72,000 is deemed to be receiving 4.5%. These rates apply where one person is getting some pension. If neither of you are getting a pension, there is a slightly different rate, but the same concept applies. Assets for Centrelink purposes are pretty similar to what we would use in everyday language. The value is based on current market value, and so your land, machinery, livestock, any household contents will be valued at current market value. You are not asked to include the value of the house in what they call curtilage, which is the 2 hectares surrounding the house, as these are exempt assets for Centrelink purposes. Any debts that you have are deducted from the value of the assets to give net assets.